Big up Crosses TV.
Right now, crosses a good thing. Me not like crosses TV, turn crosses in a good something.
Hello? Who is this? Man. Who is this? Who is this? Oh, no, me nah be no bigger person. No, me I forget down to our integrity cat. What type jazz I forgot, then a blood clot. Show out, Tada. Wait, no, man. You can't tell a lie, right? So where there? Come here, girl. Here, you born here? Wait.
Nobody know you're the ugliest butch.
You're the ugliest butch, wait. Wait, no Twep. Wait, no Twep. So this camera out the boy, hold on no. Eh? Me not care if them want black me if I want lose my page at this point. Me want me lose it for this. This me I go lose it for cause me I will long them two shot here. This I forgot. This after go out. What? Me don't want to see that. See how them mad. Me I look for this. Twep. Come talk no man, make a reason. Twep. Come here, Twep. Come blood clot here, hold on. Come here, Twep, make a reason now. Come here, good girl. Come here. Come blood clot here. Come here, girl. Call her over here, sir. I want to call her over here, sir. Call Twep over here, sir. Call Twep. Call her. Call Twep, you know. You know, call her for me. Me I wait. You know, tag her, at her, call her. Tell her me I call her for this. She need to come get this. Tell her to come talk to me. I ain't not talk to me and that piss off my blood clot head. Come talk to me, I need to talk to me. I'm there, me easy, me will talk like a real G, like a man, me I show some is a man. But me with you, me I show some is a man. Yeah, show me say, we can't diss the boy, cause, you know. When me is no man, me change a man to blood clot, big pussy Angelica. You know, right now I can't remember the words. I give good encouragement. Use the insurance. Do your face, do your teeth, them top your skin a blood clot. Yes, you never before your teeth them brown, no blood clot, and fever brownie. Go at top and go in at the brownies club. Me a class it out like a bitch. Go in at the brownies club, they got church town blood clots every day at Adventist church, no blood clot. Go back in at the brownies club. Top what you mean by? Come talk to me, not Twep, cause you go like say you feel like say you do that wrong smaddy, but you about wrong smaddy. See my blood clot, blast they come, nobody at all. One thing that hurt me feel is I come talk about say, girl, you and me know me that never lasting that for earth. One thing you know where I go beat you bad? Bad mind I go beat you bad, Twep, your bad mind. Every girl in a forehead. Every girl with them body. Every girl will be bursting on them chest. Twep your bad mind. Twep you call me bad mind. Twep, what do you have in a foreign? Twep what you have? And you come talk, but you come see me in a foreign. Girl, you come see me, you come sleep on my good bed. What you have in a foreign? Come talk, come show me what you have in a foreign. Twep click a blood clot like no, I add me. No blood clot, I show me the bed where they put dirty blood clot germs. You get me out right now, Mr. Red bitch for your blood clot. What you mean? What you come after blood clot? Twep a tool boss. Twep a tool boss alone, but Twep me a deal with you. Me no want to deal with Shan, cause you know why Shan? You see Shan? Shan have to give me respect cause bad so bad. Shan, me couldn't come answer Shan, cause guess why? Shan in her feelings, I mean I tell you, Shan anywhere there in the world no blood clot, Shan, that you don't know. And days we try for hunt about the blood clot, so I'm sorry no blood clot. And you tell me say come and reach me, you know. Shan, anywhere there if you see this, Shan, me I beg you. You don't have to deal with me and alive, but Shan just accept my apology. Shan, me sorry no blood clot. Tell me come and lick me, you know. And me I tell you come and lick me for true no blood clot. Ah, choo. Ah, choo. Like me up on the train. Twep, move your blood clot, your bad mind. You heard me, I go beat you bad. Anytime you're on the internet, me depend it within a blood clot. And if you come out and you go like me come out for your blood clot, and I'm a real blood clot 40-inch bitch. Know that. No butch setting for your blood clot or come out like a real bitch for your blood clot like me and your mate. Know that. It's when me done with you. It's when me done with you. Hey, you gonna be there. Hey. Twep. It's when me done with you. Twep. How we do? You don't know how we do today. Girl, me that strip naked in a girl. Me that strip naked in a blood clot and class. Yeah. I can't talk about strip burn naked and deal with you. Talk to me say me that wait for that day, yeah. Twep me that wait for that day, yeah. You never know. Twep me want go on real bad for your dirty blood. Think me is Twep me is not a man. Twep me is a bitch. The whole thing me never yet take no cocky, but me is a bitch. Twep me want deal in a real. Twep come to reason with me. Twep what you mean by my breast them along? Twep them stand up in my chest and blood. Twep come talk to me now. With the blood clot you hide from if I come talk to me. Hey girl, come talk to me. Come talk blood clot to me. Come talk to me. Come talk to me. Come reason with me. Good. Good. You crazy? You crazy or what? Cause me don't call me. Don't blood clot call me. Me bumbo clot dear, cause you tell me I forgot about her. So me I forgot about her and pressure, you know. Yeah. Come talk to me if you go, hey girl, if you type one blood clot something under this to girl. Hey. Oh. Left me. Me not even gonna look at you. You wanna what me don't want to angle you right now. Me I deal with my blood clot, big long time blood clot all time, girl. Well, be true me I deal with. I deal with cause she eat up my blood clot. What's left and gone. So me not stop beat bad man out of your dirty blood clot. You were talked about every time you have something you want to mash up my blood clot things, then why am I things them you want to mash up? Dirt, alert, twep. Twep, me mommy take your blood clot foot off of the ground. I mean take you off of Jesus' earth. What you mean? Twep, me mommy lift off your feet them off of Jesus' earth. What you mean, twep? Come talk to me. Twep me angry today because I'm not get a sleep enough. I'm gonna fuck last night so you know everything I leak out for your dirty blood clot. This morning. What a salt you salt. As she started, of course, because I beg her like a baby. Ask her if I'm not take serious today. I beg her like a baby. And just for sure, I'm not want an argument today. I'm not want me and her to dip on the internet, ask her. As she text me, my answer fast. Me I run from this, me don't want and I like me. Can't do that. I them thing they hold me about enough time. You see you now, unruly queen go bite up a strong, go suck out your mother and left you so. Left the blood clot place. Yeah, I prepare right now and every day I'm there, so. Since you want me make it every day for you, every day I'm there with you. Eh? Oh yeah, what you mean? How would this? You need to get away too. Shugs get away. Somehow no, me I start mute now. Me I ease up her for a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Me just a focus on you now. Cause bad to bad, me know she over there cry. Mwah. You want a kiss? Cause me and you know. You come off your ball, the blood clot like how Sky bring down your dirty Miranda, right? Me and you know you over there crying. At her? At who? What she there? Me no see her. She no send no request. Me a deal with her like a real big old girl today. You say me forgot to come on. Yes, me forgot to come on. I'm a bumbo. My mother have Chantel Bailey. Remember answer a little girl. Stop. Yeah, me really forgot to take a big old. I'm old, of course. Cause my mother have Chantel Bailey. She never born Shan Bailey. Yes, so you're right, of course. But what to you? Want to a big fuck out girl like you would. If you take all of the man them in the earth already. Oh me I go, you not left none for me. That's why I turn to girl and start fuck girl, cause you take off all of the man them. You told to take off all of the man them, so no man no left for me. So girl like me, that have to talk fuck girl and turn sodomite. So when you say to talk to me at the right time, at the right Sunday, you take the right Sunday. To take off all of the man them, so no somatic after fuck girl like you in your genre.
It's the Hennessy. It must be the Hennessy.
It's the Hennessy, no Hennessy in me. I trouble me, your dear sister trouble she call the conversation could have stayed on the phone. Right or wrong?
True.
Right or blood clot wrong. You see if she did stay on the phone and she class me, I swear to God, I swear to God, me there saw girl, me don't want to get emotional, girl. I swear to God, if you're on the phone in your class, because the conversation was between me, you, and the girl where you claim to say your mate, because the girl is not your blood clot mate. Me never angle me a blood clot angle. Me never want you show me who the pan there. Angle me a blood clot angle. I know so when me out my blood clot outside. Outside come here, wait for this idea. If you click on next live, big old girl, remember me tell you, and your last live you go click dirty girl, so take that for me as me tell you. Dirty Twep. Twep all know you wear a new suit. All the man, remember say you tell me, say the boy fuck out your hole and you not get no money. Twep me my good now. Tell the boy not get no way I fuck now. So we are set up 12. So if me want fuck a bitch right now, me have to pay for the bike. At least you take it out for me for the time. What you mean? Twep a good would have beat you. Twep. What you mean? Bye. Twep what you mean? Talk to me now. Twep me in the mood for you this morning. I'm kind of blood clot. Make me get crazy right here. So come talk to me. Come talk to me. Cause right now make me feel like Angela Jolie in a blood clot. Come talk to me. Come talk to me and come beat me after cause you say you're gonna beat me. And me want to say if my mother, my hand me left up underneath baby G. And me want to know if he's a bullbuck or he's a dopey conqueror. Who you be? And who you think you be? And where you get your strength from? Twep, remember good. It not gonna be one easy fight. It not gonna be one easy fight. And me, you know that. You gonna come talk about my wife and papers. Twep, that's your problem. Twep, if I want papers right now, I can't get papers. I need my wife if you don't know that. Big Don said, girl, when no one fired. Remember me? And me help you with the blood clot papers, them. Your immigration papers, them. So if you tell me, say my wife, no, girl, you won't ever tell me. Remember, you are the one that always told me. You are the one that always told me no matter what, Sarah always love you. Sarah Johnson barely have to love blood clot me. You're crazy. She have to love because I send her a good blood clot school. Yeah, until she get her blood clot degree, so she could have come to doctor for me and muggling on my blood clot face. I feel like a real top boy. Yeah, as a top boy that foreign. Me send my wife to a good school. I will call her right now. A year before yesterday, my wife look for me and she passed me. I don't feel no kind of way. Because if I text her right now and tell her, I say, whatever, you know this. You know Sarah never yet over me. Remember one wife she not have no more wife? Remember one wife she not have no more wife? I remember how long me and my wife separate and she not divorce me. I tell my dear, Twep me not need my wife to get the papers if I never know. Remember the first thing when I carried blood clot there, come give me what you say. You still do your paperwork? Go inquire. You seen a foreign? You seen a foreign? You don't need a spouse. We have something when name abandonment.
Oh, wow.
Abandonment. And the fucking application form, it my VAWA application. Twep me can go in on my email and show it. Twep me no need my wife. Twep me no need my wife. My wife are dead for me. Twep. I mean I look upon her. Twep if me love likes. Can you text me since night? I say I true my love likes me. Likes I'm not answer my phone. Can you call me? I get mad. Twep I get up ignorant in your feelings. Twep boy I say when me and it live together, Twep me asleep. Head and tear with the dirty blood clot. Come tell the world that. And that if you come tell the world, say I make it look like say boy mad over here, boy response to you. Come talk to me now. Me never yet tell you say me never love you. That's it, me that come tell a lie. Me not come tell a lie, cause one thing with me talk truth. Me that come tell a lie. Me that come tell a lie. And me I tell her every day, me tell her I true me love you, little girl, me can't eat your big blood clot your talk mouth Twep. And you look a girl, I can't eat you, I don't know why. Every day I know you bring my blood clot name to Obia man. Cause I don't know what happened to me from what year. Yeah, from you. You dirty girl can be mother you talk about. Me no believe in a mother, you know that too. Me no believe in a no mother woman and a mother man. You know that. You know that. I went up for my papers, yes I know. You know that. Come talk truth. One thing with me, you know everything over there so I talk right now. You know me a blood clot talk facts. Twep me not talk no blood clot. Denominator and denominator, yes, so I facts me a blood clot talk. Facts. Every minute you tell me, boy, you go give me name, you go give me woman number for call blood clot woman for get to Sarah. Me no want to get to Sarah blood clot, and naturally me get to Sarah. Naturally, me no need to get to her spiritually and blood clot biblically. Me no need to do that. And naturally me get to Sarah. Sarah have to love me naturally. I don't want to give me my papers naturally because Sarah tomorrow and come. I don't want Sarah involved in my immigration blood clot documents and business. My man is Sarah and blood clot and avoid her and stay far. What you mean by? When you want to talk about that, okay? Think you know my business, right? I some like how you feel it. Think you know my business. Girl, you don't know my business. A pure blood clot dead man story me give you. You don't know my real business, Twep. Yes, I see four of me, I look good no blood clot on the screen. No all no blood clot. No prank. No prank. Twep, you say call me ugly. Twep, no prank no over here, so I don't have nothing at all. Twep, I need a dopey powder for my face, Twep. Twep, I need a dopey powder. I don't need a filter for box dog in a sign, yes. So Twep, what I mean by the whole thing, and this is a matic boy a face, yeah. Twep, I told you for ear bomb. Come talk to me, Twep. What I mean by my ugly? Twep, me bring you off. Twep, me bring you off. Me not class, you know, because I can't come class, you know. We just tell you the truth, them. This just the truth, them. Me not class, you know, me just tell you the truth, them. Of course, me did for run up the blood clot stays left you the night, of course. What you mean? Of course, me supposed to. What you mean? Me I go have a leak and come back right now. The NSA, when I go leak and come back, me sorry for your dirty blood clot. Cheese.
Me
You
know
know me.
you hold it
Cheese.
long time, best.
Cheese. You know me. I hold it. Cheese. You know
Me
that.
know
Cheese.
you
You
hold
know
it.
me. I hold it, my friend. You know me. I hold it.
Me know you hold it. Why can't you have full?
You know me. I hold it. I mean, you hear me about cheese. Then I regular up there. I say bumbo clad cheese. Me not want me. And I go there side.
I me ever said door for like
Cheese. The same way how she pick up the phone one night, yeah, and she go up on the live. Cheese. She could up and tell us if this and that girl me talk nothing. Drama, I just that me I say in the background. I say, girl, don't tell a lie for me, don't call me name. I have a whole heap of salt in my house. I remember no salt in your house. Dirty Twep.
But I'm saying, touch a baby father, my dear.
Also, me not even go. Me not go on that topic there. I go allow that. Me, I go allow that. Cause certain things me not go touch. Me I leave that.
Conversation, I just like to talk where y'all don't fucking know.
Me I go. You come start shit. How dare you? You could have talk even if you did over your life a while ago. Even if you did over your life a while ago. And are you alone over there? I swear to God, me there so that. I would have look for you. I would have paid them mind. I mean, you know that. Because you go live for me earlier. You called me like 10 minutes after you come off for the live. And did I run you? Did me even address where you do? Me did decline you? My answer the same way, don't it? That for sure. You me even meds you. Me still may I try run from it. And Twep, me still not pick your can yet. Because me no fucking the same person where you half dead. Because you're half dead, you know. When you're half dead, Twep and me was the only person who did it when you're half dead. Forget water, for do whatever. Yeah, come tell me what girl, you want me blood clot, get technical with your big thinking church out all on me. I get technical with your girl. Yeah, come tell me about baby father. Twep member say, can come like when you talking to member no, can you come tell baby like, baby, where you there? Can you on the blood clot like me now hold down? Nothing. Me I talk out I'm a good clean, smell good mouth. When I run a blood clot and smell like fish, I talking a blood clot, Shan tell face when I wake up, I'm on the time I shouldn't smell nothing. So come talk to me. Come talk to me. Twep, me have your voice. Hold on. Yeah, say me. Me sit down and listen to your story like a blood clot sister and ride with your blood clot with your pain like a me a pregnant now blood clot and some of it feel. Wait, Twep. We get into make other phone your father God. Make other phone ya have it. No other phone ya. Other phone ya. Oh, me I go get it. Oh, me I go make it. But no. And she will say to me now, talk to me like me and her are co-parent. Matic, big man thing. I'm looking to myself. I'm feel bad about it. Ask her, me tell her I felt really bad about it. Because he's a person where one thing with me, once if me I go wrong and whatever, me I go acknowledge say me I go wrong. I feel fucked up about it. Me I'm a virgin attack. And me I'm a virgin in the car. I'm a virgin. Bitch, go suck your mama, you suck with like dog. Come make your mouth think like batty. Twep a be a man coming in your mouth think like batty. Go suck your mama, suck cocky, lick up batty, girl. Anyways, Bob now, me stay so I say, girl, are you using thing? Can it look like said because nobody can keep Dior. That's why you message me for me keep a girl. Let me tell you this. I may be a big fucking person. Inky, big up yourself. I say, girl, listen to me. I want me a reason like she say, look how much things me hear are you here. I say, girl, you know how much things me hear. I'm gonna come to you. Girl, me been hear things months ago from we just fucking separated. Me hear things, and what me do? Me not bring it to you. But because you ask me to keep the child now, me I say it to you as a grown person. Me I say, girl, what me be to you? Cause you make it look like me is not nothing to her. In the media, but in a blood clot my face, and me have to take care of her. So what the bumper clot you talking about? Me have all right for blood clot question there. Yeah, go around me like me is a fucking pitney. And oh, don't know about that cause it look like say me have to beg you now. So what the fuck? Oh, me if you sit down like dark and I know and sit down like me fucking delusional or my mad. Eh? And you if you sit down over there use me. Cause basically I use me and that is not a fucking lie. Basically, let me tell you how you make it look. You make it look, oh, dear of our father, but Matic, we can't use Matic because she's the only person dear will stay with. Because nobody can even the father. Dear not like, no, dear not stay with nobody. Nobody. So she going to use me now, because Matic, oh yeah, Matic now will cry. So she will call me at them point there. When she want to go somewhere, she want to go suck a body or I don't know what she want to do. She call me them time there. So I look on her and I say, girl, that can't work. You understand? If you can't give me clarity and bumbleclot, it make me feel fucking secure. Me now go confuse myself because at the end of the day, I have my look of blood clot boy, I'ma tell you that. And Princess now make him don't know on your mommy, him now call me mommy, and don't born in a foreign. And daddy, my blood clot son call me. So the blood clot me if make you come confuse my bumbleclot burn a foreign. Eh? Anyways, exactly like me a babysitter. So I turn to her and I say, girl, a full time now, I force me ever come out so. I know enough thing, I'm going to keep it within, I'll let it kill me. Keep it down. Keep it down. I just show her the voice note them on the phone here. Cause I know it never me I go play some voice note. I mean I tell you, I know me I go come back later. I know she follow me up. Me I come back later, me I go release some voice note. Understand? Alright. Bam. Me say, girl, how the hell you want expect me to feel them kind of way, but people were never there before. All of us saw they are post up on your Instagram. Dear sister, this bitch go suck your mama. Y'all wanna post the people them pick them a post your pretty. Big idiot girl they walk and bumbo clad force the little girl in them life. Them nah blood clot look so cocky girl. Me a come out for your pussy clot no dirty girl. Me a come out for you. You walk and force the little girl in them life and them not accept her. You don't have no blood clot body but Chantel Bailey. I know that. Me know that. So you don't want me to keep it inside. I'm going to sit down. Oh, me I bring the girl come. Oh, yeah man, bring her come. I'm just accept it all the time. Deep down it a kill me long time. I'm going to come out with it the blood clot Sunday. Brave and bad. I say, girl, where you do? Stop confused me because me feel so fucking confused. Me feel confused, no blood clot. And me say, girl, listen to me. Me know upon this, make me know today what is what to this little girl and make me move on with my bumbo clot like more that you have me there. You know, one fucking piece of blood clot, rough patch of fucking rough. I patch up my blood clot in the daytime and make me can't put on a pussy clot to it. I stress me with this blood clot suck me and you go like say a pussy I hear this. Eh? A pussy I hear this? Hey girl, go suck your mama, you can't tell me that. Go suck your mama, big pussy girl, you can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. Eh? You can't tell me that. Eh? You don't like hear the fucking truth. You say look up, hey girl. You don't like hear the truth. And the truth, me sit down and start telling nothing but the truth. I'm gonna start class your blood clot yet. Oh. I can't come class you real bad. I'm in a class yet. Manipulate me at first. Manipulate me in a real life. Eh? And then they expect you want to get away with something like this. Twep. I tell you this brawling in front of 3,000 odd people. You see, when I take what you are, ensure that you pay me. Because if you don't pay me, you can't take that little girl. Else you got prison a foreign big pussy girl, me I tell you that. Remember, I know my rights and I know what the fuck going on here. Remember, I think me I did idiot when all of this are going. Remember, me did say one time, me did tell her, say, if you try to take this little girl from me did tell her, me I go beyond with you. When you push her out. Me tell her that. You make me talk till I'm a blood clot. You must know me not come for you today, you know. I'll me lick them join a blood. Me no business, me no care. I throw away the pan, it's like 2 big pussy girl today Sunday. Me no care what my wall screw that. Me lick them could have dry crack up. I don't give a fuck. Me a angry bangle for you today. Me a triangle you. Me sorry me never blood clot have one of your wig them up here your dancer shoes. Me sorry you come feet yesterday because me the muggly night for your blood clot and class in your own wig and you close them. I just the truth. Class in you close them. Angry and you close them. Yeah. You mad? Girl, you're supposed to know how I feel about that because my blood clot tell you when Princess did take that John from me for a while, look while. Me tell you how I feel about that. Tank cut up. I'm tell you, I get gingerous from Princess man a war. She not the life asked her war no blood clot. War. You mad? Yeah, you mad girl. You mad. One thing we know you got there that foreign, I have to go love with this blood clot. Cause when me done with your pussy blood clot, you not gonna like it. Me not class her now. More than me I tell her, say, girl, you say, hey, no, what your can't come on my foot. I said, you have to come on my foot. Me and your Barbara blood clot. Me I go deal with you. So make when he text you, I'm say, girl, make the girl come, whether you want to bring her, you send somebody with her. You got child support, and you got to do the things there. Yes, you can do it. Nobody stop it, because you know me not gonna do one thing, and me not gonna talk that on the live. Me not gonna do that to you. As much as you hear me, I deal with the case now, me not gonna do that to you. Because at the end of the day, you know why? I always consider you. So me not gonna go this with you. Me I go allow that part. Me you know me I talk about that part because I know the first to talk about this. So me and that part there we make me go keep it right there so. Right between me and you. Just me and you know what go on right there so. Even if you want to bring me on child support, yeah, me I gonna allow you to go child support me. But even though me could have make some act about it, but what me not gonna make because of you, the local girl suffer so good girl. Me I gonna accept that. Like when my blood clot sign and say me act blood clot separate and do what the fuck me have to do. But you see the minute you try to come make me look bad and say me look like me that pinch up girl. Girl, don't do that. Don't dare do that. Don't do that. Me know me the only person you really trust for left there around. You not for fret, you not for think, you not for wonder if she okay, you not for wonder if she eat. Jody, I don't know where you call bring down the car. If you think me bring down Twep, me not bring down Twep yet. I tell you the truth. You hear how she going over there? And this up all my mother. I make girl a class my mother. Me not class her yet, ask her. Ask her, me not class her no. More than me just give her beer fox me a kill her with. Me not class her. Exactly, Muslim. She know that. Say she know when it come on to the axe blood clot, I'll she that. And I fear her picking and she may watch push her out her pussy. And ask her if she talk to the too loud blood clot and me and her a war in that. Ask her for like me I tell. Ask her, she there in the comment section. Come talk. If you there if a ball and she no look on there and she dey on the phone, ask her if me and her not in an argument. So oh you for there come try like you want to turn on a picture for me. Twep, don't do that. May have something to deal with me, but don't come paint a picture like say me in a war or beef but there say me a ill treat there or whatever. Cause there is me don't know about you when she there on you. But me know when she there on me. Me know that 100% she's secure. I don't know about you, cause you allow last night big pussy girl. When you call me for sure dirty girl, you want me deal with them now. Oh, was a blood clot night to come take out the baby out of my house after 2 I go to 3. Yes, this is that dirty girl, and the night you know say I just never want to lick off your blood clot face. Me just allow you. The night when I go in on my phone and search up and see where you see and boy you go with the baby because the baby never did supposed to come there. I choose me no want to lick off your face the night because hours they come take out the blood clot baby out her sleep dirty girl. So oh you ever come feel like you want to make me look bad. Twep me and you will look bad on this blood clot and the whole internet a laugh for me and you. I tour with them all have no me alone. I tour with the blood clot. Me and the blood clot Miss Punson and shit. Tight to Miss Grippy and me and you Miss Grippy. Grip 1 and grip 2 no blood clot. Them have to laugh for the 2 of it. What you mean? Eh? Them have to laugh for the 2 of it. Hey girl, for sure you ask her. And she wish she come talk the truth. Ask her. My big blood clot Twep don't put out the baby on the internet. Ask her. I beg her like baby and ball on her foot. That's how low me stoop to her. Twep don't make the baby face go out there. Ask her. Me say wait till she